James Dyson, innovator extraordinaire and entrepreneurial visionary. In the world of design and innovation, few names command as much respect and admiration as James Dyson. Renowned for his groundbreaking inventions, entrepreneurial spirit, and relentless pursuit of excellence, Dyson has revolutionized industries ranging from household appliances to automotive technology, leaving an indelible mark on the global business landscape. Early life and education. Born on May 2, 1947, in Cromer, Norfolk, England, James Dyson's passion for engineering and design was evident from a young age. After studying at the Gresham School in Holt, Norfolk, he went on to attend the Byam Shaw School of Art in London, where he developed his skills as a designer and artist. Dyson's journey into the world of engineering began in the late 1960s when he enrolled at the Royal College of Art, where he studied industrial design. It was during this time that he developed his first major invention, the Sea Truck, a high-speed landing craft that caught the attention of the Royal Navy and marked the beginning of Dyson's illustrious career as an inventor and entrepreneur. Revolutionizing the vacuum cleaner industry. In 1978, James Dyson set out to revolutionize the way people clean their homes with the invention of the world's first bagless vacuum cleaner. Frustrated by the inefficiency and loss of suction power in conventional vacuum cleaners, Dyson spent years perfecting his design, eventually launching the Dyson Dual Cyclone vacuum cleaner in 1993. The Dyson Dual Cyclone, with its patented cyclonic separation technology, quickly became a game-changer in the industry, offering consumers superior performance, reliability, and ease of use. The success of the Dyson vacuum cleaner catapulted James Dyson to international acclaim, establishing him as a pioneer in the field of household appliances and earning him a reputation for innovation and quality. Expanding into new frontiers, buoyed by the success of his vacuum cleaner business, James Dyson continued to push the boundaries of innovation, expanding into new product categories and industries. In 2009, Dyson introduced the Airblade, a revolutionary hand dryer that used high-velocity air to dry hands in seconds, transforming the way people think about hand hygiene in public restrooms. In recent years, Dyson has turned his attention to the field of automotive technology, unveiling plans to develop electric vehicles with cutting-edge battery technology and advanced engineering solutions. With his trademark ingenuity and commitment to sustainability, Dyson aims to revolutionize the automotive industry and pave the way for a cleaner, greener future. Legacy and impact. As James Dyson's career continues to evolve and expand, his legacy as a visionary inventor and entrepreneurial trailblazer remains unparalleled. With a string of groundbreaking inventions to his name and a relentless drive to push the boundaries of innovation, Dyson has reshaped industries, disrupted markets, and inspired a new generation of entrepreneurs and inventors. Beyond his achievements in business, Dyson is also a committed philanthropist, supporting initiatives in education, scientific research, and environmental conservation. Through his foundation, the James Dyson Foundation, he aims to inspire and empower young people to pursue careers in engineering and design, fostering the next generation of innovators and problem solvers. As we celebrate the life and achievements of James Dyson, we recognize him not only as a visionary inventor and business leader but also as a symbol of creativity, perseverance, and the power of innovation to change the world for the better.